Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif, Chapter 4, question number 16. In this question, we need to find how many ways 4 male students and 2 female students can be seated in a row. Okay, so 4 males and 2 female. All right, so we want them to sit anywhere. So for A, it's quite straightforward. There are 6 of them, so just 6 factorial. So for A, the number of ways to sit the students will be 6 factorial. Okay, use the calculator, 6 factorial, 6 factorial. 720. So that's the answer, 720. Next, part B. 2 female students must sit together. So in this case, I will use the fill in the slot method. So in all, we have 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whereby 2 female, I group them in one group. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 items to permute. Therefore, externally, 5 factorial, and internally, the 2 female will permute among themselves. So 2 factorial. So arrange externally, followed by arrange internally. So 5 factorial times 2 factorial. 5 factorial times 2 factorial. So we got 240 ways. 240 ways to arrange the students in such a way. Now let's say we need to use the permutation notation. So we can think this way. Since 2 female must sit together, so they are considered one item. So 4 plus 1 of the group, we have 5 groups. Therefore, it will be 5P5. That is externally, followed by the female in a group. They will permute among themselves, so 2P2. So it is the same as the 5 factorial and the 2 factorial. Okay, so the answer is 240. Part C. The 2 female students must be separated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrange the 4 male first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 male go in. Okay, we choose the 4 male. Number of ways to arrange the male will be 4 factorial. And then there are empty spaces between the male, which is here, 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 and here. How many empty spaces are there between the male? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these 5 spaces, these are the possible places for the female to go. Therefore, 5P2. So in this case, 4 factorial times 5P2, 4 factorial times 5P2. So we got the answer, 480 ways. 480 ways. That's it. All right, so this one, fill in the slot is much easier. We can also use the number of arrangement when there is no condition imposed to minus away the total arrangement when 2 female have to be seated together. So therefore, we take the answer from part A minus the answer from part B. So 720 minus 240, we get the same answer, 480. Okay. All right, that's it for question number 16.